Hi, my name is LJ and I'm a living kidney donor. My story begins in 2013, shortly after getting married. I had a spine injury, which I ended up in a wheelchair, unable to walk for 2 years, unable to care for myself. And I remember saying that if I was going to be able to walk again and get a quality of life, that I would pay it forward. I just had no idea that donating a kidney would be the way that was going to unfold. But I'm so glad it happened the way it did. My spine surgery led me to multiple other health illnesses and multiple surgeries. I've had a total of 16 and rare diseases, including SMA syndrome and Nutcracker syndrome. So, with Nutcracker syndrome, which ultimately led me to donate, it's when the left renal vein is compressed between your aorta and superior mesenteric artery, which can cause your kidney to die and a lot of complications, in which I was very, very sick. So I tried having surgery for that. I had a left renal vein transposition, and unfortunately it failed. So my only option was to have the kidney removed. But since the kidney itself was healthy, it was something I wasn't able to accept to throw away, a perfectly healthy kidney. So I asked my team if we can donate it. It was something that had never been done before. So I'm the first patient at New York Presbyterian. So you could say I changed the medical history, medical books. They look back at least 20 years, and nobody had donated due to Nutcracker syndrome. So I was able to donate on April 5th, 2018. I also have it tattooed on me as a day that I cured my Nutcracker syndrome and saved a life in the process. And with all the surgeries that I had, since I'm unable to have children, I do like to say that I was able to give the miracle of life. So being a living kidney donor is indescribable. It was one of the most amazing experiences of my life, and I'm so grateful that it unfolded the way it did. I'm also an intuitive, so when the doctor had told me that he wasn't sure if it was going to work, it hadn't been done before, I feel like my heart and soul already knew. And I'm grateful that I was able to pay it forward and that the surgery went well. And since then, I advocate, share my story. I'm a public speaker, and dozens and dozens and dozens have gone ahead and donated their kidneys due to Nutcracker syndrome or just raising awareness. And just this past November, I won the American Miss pageant. So I'm your National American Mrs. And my platform is also organ donation. So if someone is considering donating a kidney, whether it's to a stranger or somebody, I gotta say, sometimes, they say a piece of you is missing, but really I feel more whole than ever. And a fun fact for my living donor story is that I am obsessed with brownies, and my recipient has gone on to love brownies, something that she didn't before surgery. So pretty interesting and a lot of fun facts. We like to refer to each other as kidney sisters, even though we started off as strangers. It's just an incredible connection that we've had, and I'm just so happy that I was able to pay it forward. I'm finally in a place of being healthy, and kidney donation is close to my heart, or should I say kidney. So hopefully if you're considering living organ donation or becoming an organ donor, I hope you're inspired by my story and know that sometimes life works in the most unexpected and unusual ways. All the best to you on your journey, and thanks to all of those that are out there helping others.